dili na siya active. Wala na. Surgery is done. I hope everything went well. It was so fast. Di ko napansin tapos na. And yeah, I'm okay. Just resting, recovering. Then maybe after 30 minutes, I can come out and eat. So yeah, I'm not cancer-free yet. Let's wait for the biopsy after 4 days. Hopefully 3 days it will come out. And we'll know if it's not active anymore. Then I'm cancer-free. I had my first treatment today. Good morning. Another day in Singapore. Injection day.
Yun yung effect ng gamot ko.
Operahan ako na hindi na siya masisave and magpapareconstruct. Yeah, medyo natagalan. Surgery is done.
I did my tests.
Okay na yan.
I asked, so since now the tumor was taking out, you considered me as cancer-free, like now no cancer in my body left. And she said yes.
Ano ibig sabihin ng tattoo mo? Ba't ka nagpa-tattoo?
Na-survive ko!
Ang what?
Ang breast cancer.
So, nagka-breast cancer ka? Ano ba?
Oo nga! Na-survive ko nga kaya nga ako may tattoo, oh.
Hindi ko alam, Sarah!
Siyempre, di ba paalam?
Hindi ko pwede sabihin kasi ayaw mag-worry ka.